Let me show you how you guys can find someone's Twitter username using email or phone number, or if you want to add someone using their phone number or email. Make sure they're added to your phone's contact list. After you add the person's email or number on your contacts list, you want to click on your profile picture at the top left of the screen. Then you need to click in Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Inside here, click on Privacy and Safety option at the bottom. And then click on where it says Discoverability and Contacts, the last option. Here, make sure you turn on all the settings. The two settings at the top and where it says Sync Address Book Contact, make sure that is turned on as well. Once you do that, go back to your profile and click on your profile picture at the top right again. And click on your username, or you can just click on Profile option over here. Inside your profile, you can see Following option. Click on Following. It says 32 followings for me. It's going to show you your number, however people you're following. So just click on that number. And then click on the person with the plus icon at the top. And all the people who are in your contacts and have created Twitter account using that contact or that email is going to be suggested to you over here. Now it's also going to suggest you other random accounts, but most of the accounts over here is going to be suggested to you from your email or your contacts list. Hope I was able to help you guys. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.